Okay, welcome back to Montana's Flintlocks and Hammer Guns. Here's our antique shotgun here that we did a unboxing for. It's now been partially disassembled, I guess, in the sense that the barrel's out and the forestock is off. But the plan at this point is going to be to disassemble everything. We'll see how far we'll take the main section apart, but we'll definitely take all the locks off, take the locks apart, probably take the trigger guard off, take the triggers out, and then we'll see how much of this we'll take out. I know there's the lever here to release, so we could theoretically take that all apart and just try and clean everything, remove any of the oil that's on there. There's definitely a lot of old oil if you look closely here. You can see a lot of oil inside, and some of this brown here is most likely oil as well. So that's just dried over the years. So I think if we take just a simple nylon brush, some kind of a solution that's not going to harm the metal or the patina on there, and we'll just try and clean as much of that as we can. We'll deal with the firing pin on this one that seems to be locked up. We'll try and take both the firing pins out, and in general just take the rest of this stuff apart. Obviously the ultimate goal would be to repair broken back of the stock here, and a little bit of surface rust. It's hard to see here, mixed in with the browning on the barrel, so we'll just try and remove some of that roughness with maybe a copper penny and smooth it off a bit, and then just wax everything and make it preserved or conserved so it doesn't corrode any further. And then this here we'll just disassemble as well, the forestock, take this out, and we'll see maybe we can repair this little splinter on the edge here and this chip on the front with just a thin piece of walnut that we can glue back on there and just smooth out, and then just restain it. So we'll see if we can do all that. But for now, let's take this all apart. Okay, so we're just gonna take a tiny bit of Croil here just to try to make sure these parts are not gonna seize on us and then potentially damage the threads. Try and minimize any oil getting on the stock. I think you want to try and just let it run inside. Just let it run inside. Just test this out. Seems to be getting some gunk off there. Okay, we'll cock the hammers back. So this has to be removed, I guess, before we can, now we can nicely take out this other lock. It's in pretty good shape as well. Just, this looks like it's mostly just some grease. So won't take much to tidy this up. Clean some of this. Okay. There it is. Pretty good shape in there. Really nice inletting work here. Precise. Nice.